do, I go and put my soul and spirit into trouble.
Uncle, is it true?
What is true? How can it be true? How can it be true?
So you are the one who stole the chicken, Uncle.
Kazlo, I didn't steal chicken, no. The chicken was just on the door. The chicken knocked the door and say, please kill me, oh, kill me. I don't have any person to look after me. That means I kill the chicken. Now the police is running after my spirit and swear body.
Uncle, when did you start talking to animals?
It was a hidden talent God gave me.
How?
Hidden talent God gave me. It's only today that I realized that I can talk to animals. Animals too can talk to me. I didn't know that.
Hey, Uncle.
It led me to trouble.
Don't worry, okay? The court, the lawyer, the police, they'll all come handcuff you and arrest you.
Me that I want to get married tomorrow. How will I get married again?
In this corona.
Get away from there. Please, if the police come in, tell them that I hide in Milo container.
Hey, Milo container?
Yes, I can hide in Milo container. Don't tell them, oh.
Okay.
If they call, don't tell them. You. Please, don't tell anybody. I beg you, not tell anybody.
I don't tell anybody. Don't worry, I'll support you, okay? Oh, my God, don't cry. Stop crying. Stop crying. Hello. Who? My uncle. I know him. But wait till first. How much will you give me? Thanks to be bad. How much you pay on top? 40 cedis making 50 cedis. Wait till first. Send me the money. Hello. Yes. Do you know the address? Go to Kakum National Forest. There is a tree there, having leaves and branches. He's under there. Yes. Okay. Bye bye. 50 cedis. Oh.